Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco, and on this channel we encourage everyday people to live healthier by inspiring them to cook delicious food at home. We are at the event space in the kitchen of Denigris Vinegars in Totowa, New Jersey. I'm so happy that they allowed us to come and shoot here for the month of December, and we are going to be sharing a wonderful, simple dessert for you today. I know the holidays are going to look a little bit or even a lot different for everybody this year, so I wanted to share something that can be kind of made on the fly, doesn't necessarily feed a whole crowd, but it's still really delicious. So we're going to be making affogato today. Now, affogato literally means drowned in Italian. So basically what this dessert is gelato, and you can pick whatever flavor you like, but I do encourage you to get a good high quality gelato. If you have a gelateria nearby that makes it fresh with the proper machine imported from Italy, it's absolutely worth it to go get it. And then of course, over that, what we drown it in is espresso. So I am going to show you guys how to use one of these little stovetop pots. This is my little Bialetti. I absolutely love this thing. My bright blue color kind of matches my whole theme. But this comes in 3 pieces, so if you've never used one before, we're just going to kind of go through it. So the top part is where the coffee is going to wind up. It's got a little filter, then there's a secondary filter inside, and the bottom piece is actually where we're going to start putting the water. A lot of them, this one actually has it all the way around. It's going to be difficult to see, but on the inside, there's actually a line for where you fill the water to, so it really is kind of made to be idiot-proof. You really can't mess it up. So we're going to get some nice filtered water in here, and then I'm going to show you the next step. Hey guys, love my cute little mocha pot? Grab one of your own at coffeeinitalia.com. Right now, when you use code CARA, you'll get 5% off your order. Then we're gonna put our filter back in. And you do just wanna make sure if it doesn't have the line or you can't see it, just make sure that the water isn't touching the bottom of the filter or coming up through it just yet. So we've got our espresso powder here, and we are going to completely fill this with espresso. Try not to get it on the edges. And then we're just going to use the back of the spoon to kind of gently tamp this down. Put the rest of that in there. So that even when we tamp it down, it should just about be level, just under, with the top of our filter. And then you can just kind of use your finger to scrape off any little pieces that fell out of there. And then finally, we're just going to screw the top back on. And this is just going to go on the burner, small burner. Medium-high heat. And what you're gonna do to make sure that it's done, you can of course lift this and eventually you'll see the coffee coming through that little spout up top, but you wanna listen. So basically when it's done making noise, and I'll show you guys as it goes, it's gonna kind of make this cool gurgling noise. When it's done making the gurgling noise, it's done. Okay, so it's kind of starting to make the noise. I'm gonna try to get the microphone close. Like I said, we can pick this up and see the coffee's coming up through that little spout. So when it's done making that noise, when it's quiet again, then all of your water has come up through your coffee machine. To make our affogato, we're going to spoon out some of our gelato into our dish. And then if you want, you can measure your coffee first, but we're just gonna pour a little bit over. That is it. That's how you make this quick and easy dessert. Of course, you can serve this with some nice biscotti. You can serve it with some additional espresso if you're really a coffee lover, but it's kind of nice. It gets the whole thing all in one: coffee, sugar, dessert. Any flavor of gelato really will do, whatever you think goes with coffee. This is vanilla bean, chocolate goes, hazelnut goes, peppermint coffee would be good this time of year. So any one of these will work out really well. Guys, of course, you'll get the step-by-step recipe at caradifalco.com. You can follow me, Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. And I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoy the holidays.